Let's count together, 1 to 10 in English. Hello, learners. Today we're going to focus on a fundamental topic: the pronunciation of cardinal numbers, specifically numbers 1 through 10. Remember, pronunciation is key in English, so practicing these basic numbers will help you in many everyday situations. Let's get started with the first 5 numbers. 1. Repeat after me. 1. 2. Now. Say 2. 3. Next. It's 3. 4. Let's continue with 4. 5. And finally, say 5. Listen to the pronunciation and repeat it as many times as necessary until you feel comfortable. Remember, practice makes perfect. Great work with the first 5 numbers. Now, let's continue with numbers 6 to 10. 6. Let's start this section with 6. 7. Followed by 7. 8. Now, let's say 8. 9. Almost there. Repeat, 9. 10. And lastly, 10. Once again, listen carefully to the pronunciation and repeat the numbers until you've got it down. Repetition is crucial in language learning. Now that you've practiced each number, let's try a little exercise. I will say a number, and you repeat it. Say 1, say 2, say 3, say 4, say 5, say 6, say 7, say 8, say 9, say 10. How did you do? Don't worry if you're still having trouble. It's perfectly fine to repeat this exercise as many times as you need to. Fantastic job today! Remember, the ability to pronounce numbers clearly is an important step in English learning. Keep practicing the pronunciation of these numbers, and soon you'll be counting with ease. Thank you for learning with us, and remember, every number counts. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!